I have a Motorola One Fusion Plus here. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset simply by using the keys here. Okay. So first thing is, let's go ahead and boot into the recovery mode. What you want to do with your phone off, we want to press and hold two buttons. Okay. It's going to be the volume down button and the power button. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to press and hold the volume down button right now. Press and hold volume down button, and then now press and hold the power button. Do not let go. Keep holding until we're actually in the screen where you see like a dead Android guide. It usually takes about 10 seconds or so. I'm still holding on both buttons down, the volume down and the power button. Still holding. Now you see the dead Android guide, you can go ahead and let go. Now from here, you can see it says start here. If you go to your volume rockers, you can move up or down. What you want to do is just go all the way over until you see recovery mode. Okay, to select it, we want to tap on the power button. So let's tap on the power button. And then give this 1 second here. We should go to like a no command right here. Now next thing you got to do is this. What you want to do is press and hold the power button, and then tap volume up once. So press and hold the power button and tap volume up once, just like that. Now we're in the Android recovery menu here, and to perform a factory reset, it's going to be down here. It says wipe data / factory reset. To go down, you want to use the volume rockers up or down. You can go up or down. Just go down to wipe data / factory reset. Don't forget, with a factory reset, you're going to be losing everything on the phone as if you bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box. Okay, now if you want to proceed, make sure it's highlighted, wipe data / factory reset, and go to your power button. Tap on your power button right there. And then you get another message here, just a warning, this cannot be undone once you do that. If you want to proceed, you want to go down to factory data reset right there, and then you want to go ahead and tap on power button to let it do the factory reset. And then once you tap on the power button from here, this typically takes about like maybe 2-3 minutes, and then once everything's booted back up, you'll be in the setup process where you got to choose your language and so on. But for this phone, I'm going to go ahead and just go to cancel because I don't need to do a factory reset. So pretty simple.